everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is March 23, 2023. This is the nat gas price update. Just a quick update today. Not really much has changed since yesterday. Nat gas is really causing a bit of frustration for many people. It's stubbornly stuck in this little range, hasn't really broken out of that. This is on the daily chart. Now we did draw on this red line, this resistance, and also this support line, this thick blue line. And I've also got these diagonal descending trend line and this diagonal ascending trend line, which is very almost flat, but you can see there when I zoom out, there's a diagonal ascending line there as well. So it's currently in that range and it's just sitting on top of that horizontal support line at the moment. Now you'll notice on the CCI that's also in a strong downtrend, and so is the hourly in a pretty strong downtrend as well. But the 4 hour is showing a bit of an upswing in terms of the CCI, and the moving average of the CCI is also in an upswing. Also notice on the price chart, there's a bearish divergence on the price chart versus the bullish divergence on the CCI on the 4 hour time frame. So overall, it's a very strong bearish outlook for nat gas, but there is this small sign that there may be a bit of an upswing potentially on this divergence if this plays out correctly. And for that to work, we need to see it. We need to see the price break above this diagonal descending trend line initially, and then ultimately we need to see it break above this resistance area to be more anything close to bullish. At the moment, most signs are showing a very negative or a very bearish outlook. And if it drops below this support line, and then secondly drops below this ascending trend line, then we're going to see a bit of a free fall in terms of the nat gas price. And where it stops, nobody knows. We can only make assumptions. At this point, if you are trading short, then you want to see a break below these support lines. Otherwise, if you are holding long positions, you want to hopefully this divergence plays out and it breaks above the resistance lines on the top here. But to understand how to properly trade using the average down method, follow the links in the description below. Subscribe and like the channel. And if you really like the channel, support us on Patreon. That's also in the links below.